Hi everyone, welcome to Little Crafts. Today we are going to see how to make a Vinayagar idol. Let's start. We are using wheat dough for making Vinayagar. From this, take some for legs. Now the leg is ready. Then take another part for body and head as shown. Now trunk and ears are ready. Let's start doing hands. Take a small piece of dough and roll it like a cylinder. Press one part of the cylinder like this. The fingers is ready. Now the hand is ready. Now let's see how to make a umbrella for Vinayagar. Take a square sheet. Draw a circle using compass. Cut the circle. After cutting, fold the paper as shown. We'll design the umbrella using sketches. Taking a small iron stick and place it in the middle of the umbrella using Fevicol. Now our umbrella is ready. Now let's see how to make an apple for Vinayagar. We kept fruits like apple, banana, and book, umbrella. Now our Vinayagar is ready. We wish you advance happy Vinayaka Chaturthi. Thank you. After watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Click on the bell button to receive the notification.